Hey, welcome back to your favorite channel Short Guides. In this video I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. So how you can set up your privacy, and it means that no one from outside who doesn't follow you will see your post, will see your pictures and reels. So let's start. Open the Instagram application, go to Instagram's profile by hitting the profile picture icon, and in this screen just hit that three lines on the top right corner, and here just scroll down to the section who can see your content and go to account privacy. Now it's public, and here you just allow the private account and switch to private, and now no one can see your pictures, your posts and your reels. So this is how you set up your privacy on Instagram. I hope you have found helpful this video, so please leave a like, leave a comment below, let me know what else you would like to see about or what else you would like to know about Instagram. Thanks, bye.